Namaste. If someone throws stones on you, don't throw that stones back to them. Collect that stones and build an empire with it. So this particular quotation made lot of impact in my life, and even I can relate lot of things which happened in my life as well. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. I am going to talk about a quotation which impacted my life. Before that, how this particular quotation I can relate with lot of celebrities in this world. First of all, I just want to talk about the most famous person for his comic series and all. He is Mr. Bean. So he has been rejected by lot of TV programs and lot of channels because even he has a speech disorder, but still he converted that into world's one of the best comedy series. So right now you can see lot of comic series of him. Even there is a cartoon on his name. At that moment when he got rejected, he made his disability into his asset and he started his own show. That is how he has made that. The second, if everyone know about Bahubali movie, in that if you see the villain who is Rana Daggupati, he actually has a disorder of eye. So he cannot see with one eye. He can only see with only one eye. So that is what disorder he has. But still, no one knows about it even. He is giving incredible performance in Bahubali and lot of movies in recent times. He has converted that particular disability into his asset. No one knows. With his acting only, with his expressions, he is able to mesmerize lot of audience. And the third most important celebrity is about our Big B. In the starting of his career, a lot of people rejected him because of his voice. Right now, his voice is a brand. That is how that impact of his voice is. Because of his bass, because of his height, and because of his voice only, he is most famous. Right now he has a lot of shows in his hand, and even though still he is about 70 plus, he is a brand ambassador for a lot of brands right now. That is what the impact of your disability. You don't know that it's a disability. I mean, you believe that it's a disability, but it's an asset for you. In the same way, for me, my speaking skills are so bad. Almost 10 years back, I came from a small town where I cannot even speak a proper English. At least 2 sentences also I cannot speak. At that moment, lot of insecurity feeling is there before taking any presentation. But once in my life, I have experienced one particular scenario where I got to learn one thing. One of my friends told me that actually they separated from me because they are going to a party. All of them are coming from US. But they told me not to come because I don't have a proper English. Even though I have some best friends in that group, but still they told me that you are not able to speak English. So all these things they made it for fun, but it touched my heart. Even though it is for fun, but it touched my heart. Then I decided I should talk in English. I should be professional English. If someone like me who has no background of English, I have completed my studies in English medium itself, but still I am not professional while talking in English. But right now I changed a lot. My skills improved. You can see how fluently I am talking English. So that is what they are, my friends who criticized me, but still I took that criticism and I improved it. So criticism is always the best way to improve yourself. So that is what the quotation is for. Whenever someone throws stones on you, don't throw them back. Just collect and build your empire. Right now I am building my empire with this speaking skills as well. You can see I am posting a lot of videos with whatever skill I have, and I am trying to empower a lot of people. So I believe this will empower you as well with my words. So don't take criticism into only fun, take it seriously, which can improve your life. Thank you. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.